Very good evening to the dignitaries, respected chairman, honorable correspondent, distinguished principal, dynamic vice principal, esteemed chief guest, active participants and colleagues. Let us invoke the blessings of Almighty by Kirat.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا أيها المزمل قم الليل إلا قليلا نصفه أو ينقص منه قليلا أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا إنا سنلقي عليك قولا ثقيلا إن ناشئة الليل هي أشد وتعا وأقوم قيلا إن لك في النهار سبحا طويلا واذكر اسم ربك وتبتل إليه تبتيلا رب المشرق والمغرب لا إله إلا هو لا إله إلا هو فاتخذه وكيلا صدق الله العظيم.
I am Dr. S. Uma Mageshwari, working as professor and head of the Department of Information Technology in C. Abdul Hakim College of Engineering and Technology, Melbishara. On behalf of Department of Information Technology in C. Abdul Hakim College of Engineering and Technology, I am so much delighted to welcome you all to the inaugural ceremony of our 6 days online AICTE Training and Learning Academy sponsored faculty development program on cutting edge advances in artificial intelligence and data science. We feel greatly honored to have distinguished guests and experts with us today who will guide through this academic journey. This FDP is designed to enhance the knowledge, teaching skills, and research orientation of faculty members in the rapidly evolving domain of artificial intelligence and data science. The objective of this ATAL-sponsored online faculty development program is to provide the participants with insights, hands-on exposure, and knowledge sharing in the field of artificial intelligence and data science. Over the next 6 days, we will engage in interactive sessions, expert lectures, and discussions led by eminent academicians, industry professionals, and researchers. We believe this program will enrich us with new perspectives and innovative practices. Now, I kindly request our Honorable Principal, Dr. M. Sasikumar Sir, to deliver a special address about our ATAL online 6 days faculty development program on cutting edge advances in artificial intelligence and data science. Over to you, sir.
Good evening to all. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this AICT-sponsored ATAL FDP on cutting-edge advances in artificial intelligence and data science. I would like to appreciate Vice Principal Dr. Muhammad Muzaffar Hussain and Professor and Head IT Dr. S. Uma Maheshwari and faculty members of the wonderful event. Faculties are the pillars of any institution, and programs like this help us to grow with new skills, ideas, and innovative teaching practices. In a fast-changing world, continuous learning is the key to academic excellence. This FDP has been carefully designed to enhance our professional competences, pedagogical skills, and research outlook. It will provide platform for exchanging ideas, learning new methodologies, and rethinking the way we engage with students. I encourage each one of you to participate actively, ask questions, share experience, and collaborate. About our institution. See, Abdul Hakim College of Engineering and Technology, CAHCET, established in 1998 by the Mel Visharam Muslim Educational Society, MES, is approved by AICTE and affiliated with Anna University. MMES, founded in 1918 by Nawab C. Abdul Hakim, manages a wide network of institutions that serve people of all communities. The CAHCET campus is equipped with energy-efficient infrastructure, including a modern central library and high-tech laboratories, backed by Wi-Fi with leased line connectivity. About our IT department, the Department of Information Technology, established in 2001 with an initial intake of 60, has steadily grown up to 120 from the academic year 25-26. The department has earned NBA accreditation 4 times, with the least with the latest valid from June 23 to June 26. IT graduates are placed in leading national and international organizations. The department actively engages in research domains such as high performance computing, data science, software engineering, networking, and information network security, while also conducting training programs, workshops, and extension activities that benefit society. Let us remember that true but also about cultivating the right mindset, one of curiosity, adaptability, and lifelong learning. With these words, I wish the faculty development program all success. Let us move forward with renewed enthusiasm and a shared vision of excellence. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. We also have with us Dr. M. Mohammed Musafar Hussain, Vice Principal and Coordinator of this event, who will now share a few words. Over to you, sir.
Respected Principal, esteemed Chief Guest, Muhammad Zuhair Ahmed, esteemed resource person, faculty colleagues, and dear participant, good evening. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this faculty development program. Faculty development program are a vital platform for us as educators. It helps us strengthen our knowledge in emerging area, but also provide opportunities to explore innovative pedagogical method, research and industry practices. In today's fast-changing world, where technology, innovation, and new ideas redefine the way we teach and learn, FDP act as a bridge to equip us with the right tools and perspectives. As a teacher, our responsibility goes beyond delivering content. We must inspire and innovation in our student. For that, continuous learning on our part is essential. This program will surely enrich us with new insights and enable us to redefine our teaching learning practices. I also take this opportunity to express my gratitude for encouraging such initiative to our resource person for sharing their expertise with us. I encourage all participants to actively engage, interact, and make the best use of this FDP. Let us carry forward this learning from here into our classroom and research, and in turn, contribute to shaping a bright future for our students. Thank you, and I wish the program a great success.
Thank you for your valuable speech, sir. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce our chief guest, Mr. Mohammed Suhair, is an electronics engineer with over 17 years of industrial experience in the development and testing of automotive electronics. He has contributed extensively to the advancement of functional safety tools, including compilers and debuggers, also serving Tier 1 customers in the automotive semiconductor space. Currently, Mohammed Suhair leads the application engineering team for the Asia region and provides strategic support to a broad customer base across Asia region. We are truly privileged to have you present today, sir. Now, I humbly invite our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Mohammed Suhair, to deliver the inaugural address and declare the program open. Over to you, sir.
So, thank you, ma'am. So first, I would like to thank the management, the principal, the vice principal, and the correspondent and HOD IT for giving me an opportunity to participate in this faculty development program. So I can say that the program can be open now. And with that, so also I would like to share my expertise. So on this particular topic, what it has been given. And before that, I just want to share the presentation so that I can just give the complete layout about this faculty development program. I'll be sharing my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thanks. Thanks once again for giving me an opportunity. Yeah. So I have been working into this industry for a long time. Almost I can say that 17 years into this industry, particularly in the electronics area, and particularly in the automotive sectors. I am into the industry for 8 years now. And as I already mentioned the theme, the principal, the vice principal, and the HOD, what exactly is a faculty development program? It always, the theme connects that, so you have to connect the current industry needs, research publications, and the teaching relevance. So that's why we call that one as a faculty development program. And with this faculty development program, so it not only helps the faculty to align with the industry needs, and also it will help you to on par with with your teaching standards. Yeah. So that's a great topic. So so the Department of HOD has selected, Department of IT has selected the cutting edge advances in AI and the data science, which is a emerging topic nowadays in the industry also. So that's why I just want to give some slides onto this presentation. And I'm sure that already, so most of you might be aware about the artificial intelligence. And I just want to give a highlight between the artificial intelligence as well as what exactly is the difference between the cutting edge AI. Okay, and if you just compare the definition between the artificial intelligence with that of a cutting edge artificial intelligence, and you can see, so without depending on the cloud computing environment or an offsite data, so an embedded algorithm, it automatically collects and analyzes the information directly, or it may be near to the device. So that's why if you just see the synergy between the AI as well as the edge technology, it always provides a valuable insights very fast, and also it reduces the cost when compared to the previous technologies which was not there before, and also it always safeguards the sensitive information. So that's the difference between the normal AI with the cutting edge AI. So maybe you might be wondering, so why why I have selected this particular topic on the automotive electronics. So as I already mentioned, and as also Dr. Uma Maheshwari ma'am mentioned, and I have been into this automotive industries and supporting the automotive customers for the complete Asia region, and our industry always supports the complete automotive market. So whatever if you name the automotive customers, whether it may be a OEMs like a Mercedes-Benz or a BMW or a Jaguar, Porsche, or a Indian OEMs like Mahindra, Tata, whatever it may be. So we have been supporting a lot from our industry perspective with our industry solution, with our company solution. So that's why I just thought, instead of focusing on some other topic, so why can't I share my expertise how AI is shaping into the automotive electronics. So since I have been into this industry for a long time, so I just thought I can just give a brief about this one. So what exactly is deep into the AI in the automotive industry? And nowadays, I am sure that so most of you might be hearing about this word, the software-defined vehicle. So everywhere. And if you see the previous automotive ECU, so whatever may be the car, you can see you will be having more than 100 ECUs, which is an electronic control unit, or you can say that it's a microcontroller or a microprocessor, which has been scattered into various things. And nowadays, what it has been done, so these particular ECUs has been aligned with the zonal control ECUs. It means that you will not find much 100 plus ECUs, but it has been divided into zone kind of thing. And in order to control these zone ECUs or a microprocessor or a microcontroller or a so highly specialized SOCs, so you need to control by means of a software. Okay, so obviously, so that's why you can see that so there are a lot of the innovation happening in the software side also in terms of a standard with respect to ISO 26262 or with respect to the cyber security or with respect to automotive standard. So that's why you can see. So you can see also the OTA updates nowadays. So I'm sure that most of you you might be hear about the word OTA, over the air updates. So once if you hear the word OTA, either it may be a SOTA, we are calling that as software over the air updates, or it may be a FOTA, like a firmware over the air updates. And also if you just see, so there is a lot of convergence in the cockpit as well as the ADAS features. Okay, so autonomous driving features, and also you might be seeing this AI in various sectors like sensor fusion, like cameras, radar, lidar, ultrasonic, and all these things. Also in terms of a connectivity and vehicle to everything. So that's why you can see V2X. So before that it was a V2V, and now you can see V2X. V2X means a vehicle to everything, and also how it has been connected to the edge cloud. Okay, how you can directly connect to the edge cloud and how the software over the air updates has been happening. So all these things has been related to the AI in the automotive industries now. Okay, so yeah. So if you just see the complete automotive industry, so there are various applications. Okay, and in terms of what is the topic which is being allotted in this faculty development program, which is the current need on the AI as well as the data science, you can see even whatever may be the industry, it is not only to automotive, whether it may be a health sector or it may be a medical or it may be a consumer, whatever it may be the industry. So always AI plays a very important role. So that's why I just thought so how I can pitch in the automotive industries and how AI plays a very important role in various applications, I can say, whether in terms of autonomous driving or in-vehicle experience or AI in electrical vehicles, where you can see normally you can see the electrical vehicles nowadays with the hybrid concept, and also you can see the manufacturing optimization. So these are all the areas where AI plays an important role in the automotive industry. Okay, yeah. So I just want to give some points on the transformation in the vehicle design and features, how the AI is playing a very major role in terms of a safety features like a emergency braking. So before that, so there was like so if you see about the any of the automotive like adaptive cruise control system, so you can see there is a huge, so there was a lot of ECUs involved. Nowadays, if you see because of AI, so there is a minimal kind of a ECUs, and also because of this AI improvement, so the features like emergency braking and lane keeping system is so it has been implemented so very thoroughly in all the OEMs, or the OEMs are a tier ones or a tier two in the automotive industries. And also if you just see, so AI, it also helps you to learn from their owner's experience. So automatically it is going to adjust your seat or a mirror or a climate based on who is driving. And if you see the top end automotive cars, maybe you can consider the Mercedes-Benz or a JLR or a BMW. So in fact, I had a chance to drive this MB, so Mercedes-Benz JLC series, where so obviously it was my friend's car. So once when I started driving, automatically it adjusts the seat belt and it adjusts the mirror and it adjusts the temperature. All these things it has been adjusted so based on who is driving. So based on, so it means that the AI is so smart that it adjusts so based on the height of the person and automatically adjust the seat belt and mirrors. All these things have been adjusted. It is because of the improvement of AI. In fact, if you see about the voice assistant powered by AI, it also helps you, the drivers, to have a control things hands-free, and where you can adjust the temperature by means of the voice control mechanism, and you can play the music, or you can also get your direction just by talking. So you no need to have just by typing into the keyboard, or just by touching the this one. So that's why, so because of the improvements of AI, so there is a huge transformation in the vehicle design, as well as so there's a lot of features has been implemented. Yeah, so if you see the next slide, so what exactly it impacts on the automotive manufacturing also. Okay, why? Because if you just see, nowadays there are a lot of AI mechanism which also makes the car factories so works better. And even if you see, so the manufacturing industries from the automotive perspective, and the robots has been guided by AI, where you can put all the blocks or all the mechanical things into in a very small amount of time. So that's why, because of this robots which is guided by AI, obviously, so you can put the car very faster with a fewer mistakes. And also it will help you to predict when machines might break down. So for example, even if you go for a post-sale service, so in the showroom, there are mechanisms available with the AI nowadays that so they will analyze the complete ECUs, and they will tell you in such a way that so after this particular kilometer, you need to change the particular components. It means that the AI is so smart enough that it will check the quality of parts and on the finished cars also. And also, if you just see, so there are like a computer vision system, so which will help you to identify the spots, or even on the blind spot detection. And also from that, so it means that very faulty cars leave the factory nowadays. So these are all the impacts on the automotive manufacturing. So because of the AI only, and also on the edge AI you can see. So I am sure that most of you might be knowing, so even though about the particular the semicon companies like a Intel or a Nvidia or a Qualcomm or a AMD, what may be, why Intel was lagging behind with the leading semicon companies like a Nvidia or a Qualcomm or a AMD. It means that because of the lacking of the artificial intelligence, so Intel could not able to pivot very swiftly, and the Nvidia took the role, and because of the implementation of the GPUs, nowadays we are calling that the graphics processor unit, which became the backbone of AI advancement. And also AMD made strides with the AI optimized CPUs. And because of this, Intel's late attempt to enter into the AI space, and because of this very late attempt to a significant traction, and Nvidia and Qualcomm and the AMD capture the complete market. Why? Because they are already into the AI, AI algorithm or the AI mechanism completely. So that's why they can try to act fast when compared to Intel, or that's the way you can see that. And also if you just see, GPUs have become a very essential technologies in the AI accelerator, which are the very basic foundation of the generative AI. So that's why you need to keep on learning about this particular technology, or in terms of AI as well as the data sciences. And also if you just see, Nvidia, as I already mentioned, why it has been leading the market nowadays on the AI part, focusing on the automotive part. So since I have been into this specialization, or I can say that I have been into this industry for a long time, so I know why it has been driving the market, in what platform it has been driving. And you can see Nvidia has been driving with the complete solutions from the cloud to car AI platform. It means that they had developed a SOCs in such a way that with the help the help of AI algorithm, with the help of AI mechanism, they develop a chip in such a way that which can control the complete ECUs in a fraction of time. So that's why you can see some of the ECUs like a Drive AGX family or a Drive Thor family. So these are all the latest ECUs. So electronic control unit, or a complete microprocessors or microcontrollers also you can see. And also they have been developing a complete high in-vehicle AI throughput with that of a Drive OS SDK ecosystem. And if you make use of the complete ecosystem package, so you are ready to go into the market. So they have a complete end-to-end stack, where you can get a complete training from the scratch, and also they will help you to simulate the complete ecosystem of their solutions and how you can interference into the market. So that's why they have a strong relationship with the OEMs, the tier 1s or a tier 2 of the automotive customers. And in fact, they are providing a very great developer support in terms onto the automotive industry. Yeah, I'm sure that so most of you might be saw this particular AI chips from the NVIDIA in the Volvo car or in the BMW, where the Volvo car will integrate this NVIDIA Drive AGX Star, which is an AI chip, so built on the NVIDIA Blackball GPU architecture, for the future models and vessels on the NVIDIA GJ for advanced AI training. And also you might on the center you can see, so there is a Neuro, which is based on the NVIDIA Halos AI system inspection. And the same way you can see one more the leading OEMs on the automotive industry. There is a BMW, which is also having this optimization production process by leveraging AI using this NVIDIA DGX system. It means that so nowadays most of the OEMs or the tier 1s or the tier 2, so they also want to select the chips in such a way that which is already trained with that of AI algorithms. Okay, so you can see, so these are the current industry which has been shaping into the market nowadays. And also, I just want to highlight so how AI is also revolutionizing accident prevention on the automotive industry. And with the advancement of AI in the automotive industries, so it also helps you to predict the crash risk, and it will also identify the monitored driving behavior, and also it will able to detect the vehicle issues in advance. It means that so they have some kind of a drunken system where you could able to see whether the driver is really drunken, and also there is a touch to drive. So with a single touch, so you could able to start your car and you could able to drive. So there are like a Tesla autopilot system which is available in the US kind of thing, where you can see a autonomous driving, which is also maybe you can see so how far it comes to the Indian market. And also you can see, so AI in the driver assistance system, automotive emergency braking, and also the adaptive cruise control system, which automatically adjusts the speed of the vehicle. Whether if there is a lane change system, automatically it will try to keep on the center of on the road. And also if there is a blind spot detection, even though if you're driving on a night vision, automatically it is going to detect on a blind spot detection. So by this, because of the advancement of AI, so it is also very revolution nowadays, because where you could able to prevent the accidents. So just to conclude on this particular topic, and AI and the data science are no longer an optional, so they are critical across all industries. So that's why, as I already mentioned, even though I am into the automotive industries, so it is very much critical nowadays to learn and also adopt the technologies where it is implementing in all the industries, whether it may be medical, industrial, consumer, defense. All these industries has been growing very rapidly on this particular topic. And also with that of automotive electronics, it is going beyond the continuous continuous innovation. So that's why, so I request all the organizations, industry professionals, as well as the university colleagues must adapt these particular technologies very quickly in order to remain competitive in the market. And I can say that the future workforce must be skilled in AI, so data science as well as the emerging technologies. And the only one option for us is upskilling is the only key to harnessing the opportunities and the driving transformation. So with this, I just want to conclude that, so it's a great topic for all the faculty members. So that's why I already mentioned the faculty development program is a theme where you can connect the current industry needs, the research publications, as well as the teaching relevance. Where with this faculty development program, it always helps the faculty, not only the faculty, the researchers, and the industry professionals to align with the industry-driven technologies so that you can on par with the growing market on these, so AI as well as the data science. So with this, I just want to conclude this presentation. So once again, I thank all the management, the principal, the vice principal, the correspondent, and the HODs for giving me an opportunity to present on this great topic. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful and inspiring address. On behalf of organizers and all participants, we are truly grateful for the time and knowledge you shared with us today. As we conclude today's inaugural function, I take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our management, chairman, correspondent, principal, vice principal, and chief guest, distinguished speakers, and participants for joining us. Special thanks to CAHCET-ATAL Academy for giving us the opportunity to organize this faculty development program. I also thank our organizing committee and technical support team who have worked with us to make this event possible. With this, we officially begin the ATAL Online Faculty Development Program on cutting-edge advances in artificial intelligence and data science. Wishing you all an enriching and fruitful learning experience. Thank you all. I request the participants to stay in the line for